Okay, we are back. Actually, give me 1 second. Okay. So, sorry, let me get everything in order here. Let's get our VS code. Hey, Lucas player, welcome back. You are definitely the first person in chat. Welcome. I'm good. How are you? How was your day? Happy to be back at it another day. Nice to hear. Yep. This stream is gonna be shorter slightly, only by like 40 minutes. We're cutting it off at 3 hours, so when this hits 8 for me, stream's ending. Hard cutoff. But yeah, we're gonna get 3 hours of work done, and we are gonna work on the shop menu today. So I didn't do anything. Is data saving hard? It's a little bit. It's a little bit complicated. It can be. Sorry, chat. I had to sneeze. Alright, hydration check for the one time. So, first things first, we're gonna set up our workplace for the day, which, like I said, can be temporary because there's nothing here yet. It's not the worst thing, but if you're a newer developer, it's not that it's complicated, it's just that, like, you might not, I don't know how to articulate my thought. TTS is 1K now, yeah. Well, that's what happens when you guys act out of pocket. So, the game plan for today, I have in my notes, is we're going to make the shop nice. We are going to probably be making a bunch of new Fusion UI components. We are going to be just doing all kinds of stuff for the shop menu, basically, which is going to involve a lot of state management and stuff. And like I said, I'm not really working off of the stream. There's one change that I made between the last stream and this stream, and I have it purposely not committed because I wanted to show it here. I wrote this towards the end of my last stream when I was getting very tired, so it's understandable I made a mistake like this. This line, if state.openMenu get not equal to nil, can be simplified to just not state open menu get. It's semantic, it does the exact same thing, but I think this looks cleaner on the right, so we're gonna commit that. We're gonna commit this as simplify expression boom. And we're gonna just push it straight to staging because we're like that, guys. We're like that, chat. Don't do this. Don't do this if you're working with other people. But I mean, I don't really think it matters for a change like that. But always, you know, be consistent with your workflow. Okay, so now we can close out everything because I just don't want to be confusing for every stream. Also, I forgot to empty the jar for this stream. I think I will do that right now, actually. Right, jar's empty. What is this saying? Reload. Okay, whatever. We're gonna make a new branch, chat. First things first. So this is gonna be new branch from staging, and we're gonna name it shop menu, or we'll just do menus because we don't know how much we're gonna get done today. Good money system. Yeah, there's probably pre-existing things that exist like that, because this is from yesterday. I'm assuming it's related. You were trying to do something with leader stats, probably like saving money. All right, we are going to. Yeah, that makes sense. So let us connect Rojo. Okay. And let's load our UI. Alright, so this is where we left off yesterday. Pretty nice, I think. So we just, we're gonna start working on the shop, and we're gonna go open our trading build, which is the most up-to-date version of the game that is being rewritten from scratch, obviously. So let's go and grab this UI that we're basically remaking. I don't think I got to styling the shop menu, but I did get to styling this. So this is the style that we want our menus to be in. So first things first, we're going to get the close button. And I think I just want to yoink this with Codify. So we're going to open Codify. We're going to get Fusion. I think I just want to like do that. And copy. And then we're going to go to close button. And we're going to do this. And we're going to grab this. And we'll do this. And then we need children from Fusion, like the Fusion version of children. And then we're going to hit save, which is going to format all of this for us. And now, if we go here, we have our X button. Nice. Now my question is, so this one, if I mouse over it, it will... So this one is not, for some reason it's not like changing color when I hover over it. It's kind of weird. It's probably because how Fusion works, I had to guess. So I probably have to implement that myself. But that looks good for now. Like that's how you want the exit buttons to look. Or the close buttons. Okay. Next is the all of this stuff. The gradient. So I want to make a component that's like, okay. I want to make a component. Sorry, I want to make a component that is like menu style or something, and it would add all three of these components. So I'm gonna have to add a stroke component, gradient component, and a corner component, but I don't want to have to add all three of those every time I make the UI. Like, cause we have yo, what's up, Tiger Tank 529? Welcome to the chat. What's up? How's it going? So we got our shop menu. This is what the shop menu looks like, and this is where the close button is put. And if I wanted to add these three components, then I would have to do like one component, two component, and then three component, right? Which is just messy. I feel like it would be better to just have one. I don't know. I think I might just be overthinking it. I'm thinking. The illusion of choice. I'm wondering what is the better way to go about this. Well, let's just start with making what are these? Alright, let's make a new folder, and we'll call this menu components. And then we'll have stroke.lua. Well, that's a first time chat too from Tiger Tank. I didn't even realize. I'm looking at Streamlabs instead of the.
Sorry, I don't know that.
Sorry about that, guys. Amazon thought I was talking to them. Okay, so let's grab this. Generate snippet. Easy. Easy peasy. Alright, so then we would add, we would get stroke, which is require components. Oh my gosh, I can't type. Dot menu components dot stroke. And we would just do stroke. Boom. So now we go here, we open our shop, and we have the stroke. Cool. And then we'll add corner. exact same thing. We're gonna get the corner. Alright, last thing is the gradient. Boom. Alright. My later stats are not saving and no error. Interesting. Is it all in one server script? You can DM it or send it in the server. I'll take a look. Give me 1 second, chat. Give me 1 second. Okay, so we got all of the components, and now it looks like the dot value in your set async call is not capitalized. That might be why it's not saving. Okay, Okay, I think this is just better doing it this way. That way we can have props like thickness can be a number. And it would be like this. Props dot thickness or 6. We can also do color. Not equals, duh. This is typing. Color 3 question mark. We should do the same thing to all these guys. So this will have corner radius. Yeah, that's the only thing these have. Okay, so corner radius will be like this, and this will be udim question mark. And this will be props dot this. And this returns a UI corner, right guys? Boom, simple, Luau, easy peasy. And then for gradient, we're gonna do, this returns a UI gradient. We are gonna want our props. We are going to want rotation, which is a number, and color, which is a color sequence. We can do props dot color and props dot rotation, or cool. Boom. Okay, so nice. Happy that works. Happy I can help with that. Okay, so now we need to open up perks and drop this into the perks as well. And we need to open trading, drop this into trading, and we need to open inventory, drop this into inventory. Yo, what's up, Hotcake? Welcome to the stream. Now you need to make a money thing. Yeah, exactly, bro. And that's the fun of it. You can code that exactly however you want. You can give yourself $1 million an hour. Okay, so we need this. And now we'll save. And we'll go into our game. And now all of our menus are looking really nice. Your cat is watching the stream? Oh, hell yeah. So we got 5 plus 1 then. We got the cat in the stream. Nice. The cat's gonna TTS meow. Okay, so one thing is I don't like how, to me it feels like the menu. I wonder what that would sound like in TTS. This would this menu, in my opinion, feels like it's closer to the health bar than anything else, especially when you're in game, right? And you account for this 36 pixels in the top bar. Like, look at how much further the menu is from the top of the screen to the health bar. Like, I don't like how close the menu is to the health bar, is what I'm trying to say. So, I want to try and just test here real quick. And what would happen if I just like offset this by like 18 pixels up? It looks better. Alright, what about 36? Well, 8, 18, 19, 27. What do you mean per script? Alright. So 27 pixels or 36? Like what looks better? This would be 36. Let me drop these. I just deleted it. I just deleted it in the session. That's funny. Alright, let me drop the dual luminas. I don't want that. Let's grab this. Alright, what looks better? Minus 36 like this, so there's this much distance and this much distance, or minus 27, which is like that. I think 36 probably is the best naturally. 18 too low. Hotcake, thank you for the follow. We're at 106 follows and we need 144 more. Okay. Yeah, I think I like minus 36. 1 second, I'll read that 1 second. Position. Who the fuck is Mr. Graham? I got a script that destroys a part called Cell, and now I need to make that money. I would... Well, you need to know which player you're giving the money to, right? So I would use like uh, a hit, touched, or touched or clicked event. Then you know which player clicked it, and then you increment their value. That's what I would do. So if you're doing it like Lumber Tycoon, then it would just be whichever player was holding the log or whichever player chopped it, which you could hold. You could hold that as like a string value. But anyways, I'm getting distracted. I'm thinking that we could make. I think eventually we could make this frame thing into its own component. I'm gonna put that in my notes. Also, there's a fly in here. It's really annoying me, but I'm not gonna let it bother me. And yeah, it is annoying though. It is making me lose my focus for sure. So all of these should have the minus 36 now. But now it feels okay. It feels too high in here, but that's because there's no top bar. Now if we go into the game with the top bar, yeah, this is a lot nicer. This is a lot nicer. Also, my water is almost empty, so let me go grab another water. I am just unprepared for the stream. I'll be really sad. Okay. We're so back. Okay. The red looks a little bit washed out to me in the close button. I don't know why. It's kind of bothering me though. Like, why does it just feel so washed out? It looks a little bit nicer, I think. And then this should be slightly brighter. Ooh, that looks bad. Ew. That looks good. I don't know. So we're gonna need to start adding stuff to the shop component. What's up, Rico? Yeah, Fusion looks very weird, especially at first. It's pretty satisfying once you get it together. This is like a learning experience for me because I haven't really used it before. But everything is coming out really nice. Like this is all with Fusion. How come it's not, it should be closing. Did I break it somehow? That's annoying. If you open it and then don't click it, it should close itself. It doesn't seem to want to do that right now. Alright, so let's look into that. Why is hotbar not? So this was the only thing I changed. So maybe it wasn't just semantics. Maybe this actually needs to be like this. I thought it was the exact same. Yeah, yeah, I don't know why they decided that semantically that's how you write Fusion. I don't know if this like mirrors like, I don't know, some sort of similar like web framework, maybe. But okay, so that was actually interesting that like that late night thought I had to change that line was actually incorrect. I'm probably just being stupid, but okay, we'll keep that how it is. Now, we need to make the shop all nice and add stuff to it. But one thing that's bothering me is that I have what is it? I don't know. I guess this is fine. I just don't like how every shop or every menu has the same sort of like hard-coded. Like maybe I was thinking I could make this like a component, but I don't really want to worry about that right now. Also, welcome to the stream, Rico. So I think the problem here is that I don't have a good idea of what I want the shop to actually be. So I almost want to just like open paint, or like even better, just take like this, kind of just draw on it. I feel like we're gonna want like a top bar, and then we would want like categories. We probably don't need like sorting if probably don't need sorting in a shop because there's going to be curated amounts of items. So like each tab is going to, so this whole bar will be its own component, bar component. And then we need like the buttons. We'll call this like a bar button. And then we need the menus themselves are going to handle the state of like this, I guess. So let me use a different color. So whatever is in here is just going to be frames that they're all going to be their own component. So these will be menu components. And all that the bar buttons are going to be doing is when you click them, they're going to set the state of a state value to whatever tab you click. And then we're going to use that state value to reflect which menu is visible. I think that's what we're going to do. God damn it, we got the spammers in the chat again. We're just banning. Okay. I feel like I know. I feel like I do know, chat. I think we need a menu component. Like in here, we're gonna make menu components like this. And shop is gonna be our playground for this. So this is actually just gonna return so we want to get, I almost got it. Stupid bug. Stupid fly. Menu component is gonna be menu component like that. So that's what we're gonna do for shop. And Yeah. Add this to here. And this is gonna be... I wonder if you could do this. So I want to comment this out, and then I want to do children. I think this is not gonna work, but I just want to try it. Why? This is part of the learning pain of Fusion, I think, for me. Can't hurt to look at the Fusion documentation. It cannot hurt. actually just do this. But I don't think that's gonna fix it from not appearing. Alright, chat. I don't know. I don't know. It's probably something stupid. So this is making a new frame, which is returning, which is being returned, right? So what if it was like something like, what if I do something stupid like we get new, we do fusion.new, and then we do like new frame? And then we had like children. Oh, this looks just so bad. I do like this. We're like, haha, funny meme, what happens? Nothing still. Okay, so then oh, you know what? I know why, chat. So this is why. In here we need a menu name, which is a string, right? And the string is mandatory, and the reason is because we need to do props dot menu name. Look at that. So menu name is shop. Okay, then children is stroke. Boom. Fantastic. We figured it out. And then if we didn't have this, there would be no stroke. Cool. So now we can get rid of this. We can go here. We can add this back. And now our menu does all of this stuff for us. And I think we want size is going to be a udim2 optionally. Right? So then like this could be props.size or this. And we could do also like size constraint. And this could be either props.size constraint or that. And this is gonna set up the entire menu for us. So I actually like this a lot better. So instead of doing all of this just to set up, so this is the perks menu. To do all of this, just to do this, we can instead do this for literally the exact same result, right? So now I don't even need this. If I hit this shop, boom. So now menu component, you're awesome. All of these guys can get simplified, right? So this will be perks. This will be trading. This will be inventory. And we can get rid of this children thing. Actually, we probably, yeah, we don't even need fusion at all until we actually start coding them. Woke up today, decided to do violence. Dang. You mean violently wake up and hop on the grind? Violently have a good day? You know, metaphorically? What's up, Sonic? Welcome to the chat. So this looks really nice. Oh, sheesh. Good thing I'm in the basement. I'm in like the bomb shelter already. Alright, this water bottle's gone. Don't hydration check. Just kidding. We got another one. So this is nice because we can do stuff like, for example, for the shop we're gonna have like current tab, and this is gonna be a value. And then the current tab. What am I gonna talk about? What is there to talk about? Like, you know, I wish them the best, and I'm sure they feel the same way. And yeah, it is. That is how it be. Is the things people say about them treating their devs like whack true? No. Not. It's mostly not true, I would say. It's. I mean. Yeah, no. It's just like, if a job is treating people whack, then I don't know. But, yeah. So essentially, here, did I work on the SpongeBob simulator? No, I didn't. We'll do children. this. I know people that worked on the Sonic simulator. So like we're gonna add our tabs. 1K to text to speech. What happened? The price of balling has gone up because people were getting too rowdy, and you know, like, I don't mind a little bit of spam. I don't mind. People were getting really crazy with it, so we might bring it back down. But you know, for right now, like, we gotta. I don't want to have to be worried about what you guys are gonna have to say on the text to speech. So inflation for real, yeah. This will be the tabs. We need tabs. Okay, so this shouldn't be that bad. We're gonna need a tab container. So we need a list container. Okay, so let's get list container equals components.containers.listContainer. And we're gonna make list container the size is gonna be 1 Gayat. Let's do like let's try 0.175 and 0. Position is gonna be medium2 dot from scale 0 0 anchor point size position. What else? Fill direction enum dot fill direction Freddy Fazbear Giat. Guys, settle down. We're getting a little out of. I'm just kidding. What do you even mean by that? This is gonna be horizontal fill direction. Okay. Yeah, we did this here. Okay, so so this will be like our buttons. So we're gonna need to make tab buttons. Whose chopped arm is in the picture of the server logo? I don't know. I just thought it was a cool picture, and I saved it a while ago, and yeah, that's the story of that.
Thanks for helping me with the script. Smile chat, not gonna lie, this is good stream. MHM.
Hell yeah. I'm glad you like the stream. Look at that text to speech right there. I think unfortunately ads are running, so some people might have not See, that was a good text to speech though. Like, we're gonna give it praise so people don't get out of pocket, you know? Menu component. This is gonna be. What's that menu name? This will just make things a little bit easier. Um, okay. What about 0.15 instead of 175? Does that look better? I think 0.15 is probably a little bit better. So we'll do 0.15. 60. I need to find out how I can make an explosion. Instance.new explosion. Boom. Stonks. So we need to make a like a button component. And chat, this is the beauty about Fusion, right? Like, even if I am natively a by hand UI maker. I mean, you just have to instance an explosion when you want an explosion, right? So like, if like, let's say I click a part and I want it to explode, you just do instance.new explosion whenever you click. But the good thing about Fusion, right, is I can go here, right, and I can copy this, and then we can go in here. So let's turn off this. Let's go here. Let's make a new screen GUI. And let's paste it. So now we have an actual physical copy of it in Studio. Let's add some buttons. How's the button gonna be? So it's gonna be text button probably. It'll be well, here's the thing. Can the list component or the list container, can this I'm making a game just using AI for scripting for a challenge. I was able to make a semi-functional plot system and editor. It took hours of trying to direct it to what I want. That's actually super interesting that you're able to get that done with AI. It is very, very interesting. I didn't know it would be able to do like studio specific things. It's coming for me. Just kidding. How do I want this to look? Instance.new not working. Really? Instance.new explosion? I don't know. Maybe they got rid of them. ChatGPT GPT-3 sucks because it's outdated. Because the devs locked its knowledge date. Gotcha. Find. Find is made for coding. AI is coming for your job. Yeesh. Chat, I'm worried. Okay, so size 1. That didn't work. Why not? Size 1. Okay. Size 0.2. And then what happens if I make like 2 of these? The default padding is none. Really? Yeah, it is. Okay. Cool. I know, dude. Like, weaponized child gambling just from making games with AI. It's crazy. You know, honestly, you guys don't realize this, but, um, you know, I have like this, AI co-pilot, but it's built into Streamlabs, so you can't see. So all of this is actually AI, pretty much this entire thing. The game so far, all of it. Waiting till Force Swipe comes in Rust. Rust is fun, but it's also such a grind. I haven't played it much, but I've played it a little bit with friends. Alright, chat, we need to go back to here and we need to make... What's a good padding? So this would be... Let's try like... 0.1? That's a lot. That's way too much. 0, 1. Yeah, I figured. I think honestly though, like if you know how to ask it the right questions, it's probably pretty helpful still. Alright, let's see. Yell at the AI for real, for real. Oh, that's so real. Yeah, you can actually like guilt them. You're like, bro, like this is trash, and they're like, oh, I apologize. I made a mistake here. This is actually how you do it, and it's like, bro, hello. Okay, I'm getting distracted. So these need to have a hmm. Probably the whole thing, like I'm thinking this whole thing honestly is just gonna be like an hmm. So let's try that actually. First, alright, let's get rid of this. Let's bring up the story again. So this is what we're working with right now. I want, before we do anything with the tabs, I want, um, I want the list container to be visible. Okay, so we'll do color. ROPS. Watch this. Watch how much this is gonna mess up the UI chat. Today's the last month. Nintendo 3DS servers are shutting down. They are. Oh, before they shut down? Really? Interesting. How come they're shutting them down? End of an era. Really? Why would the Switch? Oh, 3DS. I thought you said Switch for a second. That's sad. Not that I necessarily played much 3DS, but it's sad. Okay, so this means we can add like we can add the stroke to the list container. What do you think of berries? I don't know what you mean by that. Is there a way to detect if someone is using proximity chat, like for like a monster to hear them or something? Yeah, probably. If you look at if someone is using proximity chat. Proximity chat. I don't think there is. Unlucky. Okay, so let's make this color should just be like off-white. So let's do like 0.8, 0.8, 0.8. This is gray. Okay, cool. So we got a top bar. And this is gonna sort things horizontally. So now we need to add the button components to the shop. Okay, let's make a what do we want to name this? Tab button. Menu tab. Menu.
Use menu.
Alexa, stop. Chat, we are not. Hello? Like, no one's talking to Amazon, bro. Alright, let's grab, yoink. Chat, you're not getting me like that. Pork is good though. Pork is good. So we'll keep this visible. It'll probably. I guess we'll keep that. I don't care. So this is gonna be an image button. Okay. You think yacht is word of the year? Probably. Like naturally. I think W Riz takes the cake for like phrase of the year, personally. Alright, I think the, where is it? The stroke thingy can have a color 3, or a color, right? So we'll give stroke a color, which is going to be computed. Still making GUI. Better music for scripting. I mean, we're gonna get back to like actual music, but this is just like some placeholder stuff until I can actually like build my stream playlists. Cause I don't want to keep playing like the same playlist and just have you guys get burnt out of it. It's good for the ears. What is it? What kind of playlist? I want to listen to like piano music, to be honest. Alright, this is a menu tab button, but we haven't created it yet. We need the button name, or tab name, I guess. Text equals props.tab name. We'll have to change the font, everything. Text color 3 equals. When is the gritty emote being coded? No boat. I don't know what that says. Gritty emote is work in progress right now, guys. Emotes are coming. So this button needs to be clickable. And then I'll do like, I think we could do like stroke color. Should be like any. And so this could be color. So color equals props dot stroke color. Okay, and now we go back to, where's our shop menu? Back to shop. We're gonna get our menu tab button. So we're gonna get our menu tab button. And I think we're gonna throw one of those in there. And menu tab name is gonna be featured. Can't wait to show my can't wait to show my only in Ohio Riz while guyading on my dead enemies in enemies phantom tax while doing the gritty. Chat, my brain hurts. Let's test this. I broke it. Broke it, chat. Menu tab button line 6. Script dot parent dot parent dot parent dot parent. Too many. That's why. Chat, we got caught lacking. We should have done a prediction on this, but we only have 3 viewers. Today's a slow day. It happens, guys. Honestly, I was not really like super prepared today. And it feels like a little bit of an off day, but you know, we're still gonna show up. We're still gonna get stuff done, and that's what it's all about. Is, you know, getting progress, even if it's only a little bit. The size constraint is why? That's so weird. Why? It doesn't need to do that. It doesn't need to be like that. Alright, we'll give this an on-clicked. We'll give it on-click, which will be a function, and it'll do, wow, that was almost, okay, yeah, I meant to do that. Print, clicky on the tab. Cool. I want to try something. Just for giggles. I want to get rid of this. And I want to do like... So we'll get on event. So the answer is no, we can't do that. Alright, so what should a store have? It should have like, we'll have, um, let's make a couple tabs first. So this will make 3 of them. Do we want 3 or do we want 4? What would 4 look like compared to 3? Hold on, I need to look at something. I might have a design doc for this actually. Shop. So let's have the first one. We want this to be like daily deals. Also, we need a layout order, which is a number, and So we're gonna have daily deals. What else are we gonna have? Alright, no, first one's gonna be featured. Do you guys think it would be cool if, like, you sell items that you don't want, like they're kind of like junk items in a game? Would it be cool if it was there's a chance for some of the items you sell to like go back into the shop? Like, would you want a tab for like a one man's trash is another man's treasure kind of thing? You know what I'm saying? Like, would that be interesting, or is that just like not worth the thought? I don't know. And this will be okay. Chat died for real. Yeah, it did. I mean, we're kind of just locked in right now. We're locked in. So what I'm doing right now is I want to. I'm gonna try and work on the state of the shop menu now. So there's two things that we want to worry about. That is, the tab that is selected. Actually, no, the only thing we worry about right now in terms of state is the tab that's selected. And, you know, by default, we'll just say this is featured, right? Tab name. It's gonna be props dot text. So alright, we'll go back. We'll get rid of this. Script.name. Tab name. Alright, this is back to what we had. And so computed. Let's do like chat indeed is dead. Selected tab is gonna be current tab get hydration check. True, we got water, drinking tin. Yum. So now, this would be nil or yummy. Return is menu selected. And then the color will be and color 3. If you guys hear a dog barking, it just be like that. Okay, cool. So this would be like selected tab equal daily deals. There's probably a better way to do this. We'll figure it out. We'll get there. Dab for us. No channel point, no dab. That's how it works, chat. I don't make the rules, I'm sorry. Okay, so now it's getting very messy, very hacky here, so I want to Jeez. So starts twerking in chat. What's up, Mechnor? Welcome to the chat. Welcome to the stream. I am currently stuck on trying to figure out how to make this code cleaner. I mean, technically it would work. Clicky on the tab. So the problem and the reason that this needs to get simplified is it's gonna get really messy really fast because because we need to get we need to set this, right? But it's not, this isn't object oriented, so I can't do like self.tab name. Right? Like that's not a thing. So it's like my approach to this is wrong in some way, because Fusion shouldn't be this messy. Obviously you have to express this detail in the menu somewhere, right? So either I'm gonna have to make like a menu tab. I'll probably have to make a menu tab component. I think that's what I'm gonna have to do. So we're gonna have like menu tab .lua. And that menu tab is gonna be making this list container. We are doing good, Nativington. Thank you for asking. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the chat. So let's do this and components dot containers list container. Is there point gamble? Very soon we will do point gamble because we can decide, or we can test, we can gamble on if this code will work first try, which honestly, with the amount of problems I'm having, I would probably bet no on first try. Child gambling for real. The youth wants to gamble, guys. The youth yearns to gamble. Oh, that shouldn't be an equal. Okay. Okay, so that'll be tab value. So tab value is gonna be what gets updated. Let's get up what gets updated, okay? We're gonna need menu tab button. Current tab. Me gonna practice some drawing.
Me gonna practice some drawing human anatomy for my art class. Good luck with the coding, see ya.
Sounds good. I will catch you later, Sonic. Thank you for watching the stream. I'll see you around. This is gonna be fusion.value, and then we need computed as well for this. Wavington. Wave. Alright, here we go. So Nice. 1 second, chat. I'll be right back. Chat, we're so back. My friend locked himself out of the house and he banged on the window. If you were wondering. Anyways. I kind of lost my train of thought a little bit. But it's not a problem. Not a problem. So we are going to be Okay, so this should just mirror. Um, Menu tab is input dot menu tab. And then we could do like stroke. Get rid of list container, get rid of computed, get rid of. We'll just see what happens. Nice. And then we lost the stroke in the menu tab. This is why. There you go. Whispers. I'm thinking. What am I thinking? I think that we can. I don't know. I'm getting there. I'm getting there. Okay, so at the end of the day, we're still gonna be able to, we're still have to handle the value here, right? We're gonna have to have selected tab. Like this will have to exist. But then we could like. We could do this, and we could do like tab value, right? Like, cause we had this here. We could like tab value equals selected tab, and what else do we need? The tab name, right? And then we also need the image in the layout order, but we don't need anything else. Okay. Okay. This works. This looks weird. There's a lot of nesting, but bear with me. I think we're gonna go back to just doing this with like the list. Oh, we're gonna go back to list container. Tools require components. List container. Get rid of menu tab. Delete. So we had daily deals. So this is 2. We have we have we have capsules. And then we have the last one will be gems. Buy gems. Boom. Okay. So we are going to go to the on clicked here, and we're gonna do tab value set props.tab value set props.tab name, and the background color is going to be a computed, okay? And it's going to be a function that will is menu open equals, so open current menu is going to be props.tab value get, and is menu open will be current menu equals props.tab name, and then if menu is open, then we'll make it yellow, and if it's not selected, we'll make it white. And we should be able to test this like that. Pretty cool. And then we could do something else too, like for here, for the size of this, we could do another computed. And then we could do like we'll hovering equals value false. Is hovering will be hovering get, and if we are hovering, we'll make it this big, and if not, we'll do the original size. Like that. And then so now we have to hook up hovering, because we didn't do that. So we'll do on event mouse enter. And in this function, we're going to do hovering set true. And we're going to make the same function except mouse leave. And we're going to do the opposite. We're going to set this to false. Okay? And then we can do a tween. And then tween info dot new 0.25. We'll do like 0.1 instead. And now we'll do we're gonna do a On change. Okay. So we'll do here, we'll do on change visible. Okay. Hmm. Pretty cool. Pretty cool chat. So like, we can switch tabs. And if we close it and we come back, we're in the featured tab again. It feels good too. Yeah, it feels good. Obviously, like, I don't think the the text growing is like a permanent. It's a permanent addition, but maybe we can change that to like the position instead. Maybe this looks nicer. Yeah, that looks a lot cleaner just for temporary like testing. I like this, guys. I like this a lot. So we're just gonna have to do like, have to fill out the shop. Like we're gonna have to make the functionality for each of these tabs essentially. Alright, let's go through all of our commits. This will be fun. I think this is added props. This is stylized close button. This is reverted expression from earlier in the stream. This is create menu tab button. These are basic components. Simplified, these are simplified menu. Now implement menu component. And then this is added tabs to shop menu. Alright, let's do our Celine, boys. This looks like it's good. This is also 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 good. This is good. Actually, I didn't check perks, but if it's the same as all of these. Alright, great. So this is for 2 hours, 2.5 hours. It's not the best progress, but we also learned a lot, I feel like. that honestly might be it for this stream chat, because I have things to do after the stream, and I'm hungry, and I don't want to be very pressed on time. And also, this is a good stopping point because this stuff is gonna require a lot more components and a lot more work to get this stood up, and honestly more planning as well. So thank you for everyone that tuned in today. Really appreciate it. This was a more chill stream, definitely more mellow today. Like I said, I wasn't, not that I wasn't feeling it, but it did feel like a little bit of an off day. But like I said, we still show up, we still get it done, we're still here, we still got our 2.5 hours. So I will see you guys tomorrow, Thursday, 5 p.m. Central, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific time. And remember, guys, always follow your dreams, stay true to your passions and your interests. And you know, always follow your dreams, guys. No one else is gonna do that shit for you. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow.